Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial, how to play a guitar solo in any major or minor key based on one fret. I will not do anything difficult. Anyone can do this. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, which is standard tuning. When the guitar is tuned standard, it is tuned to the E minor pentatonic scale. The E minor pentatonic scale is E, G, A, B, D, and back to E. Tuned in standard, the guitar is E, A, D, G, B, E. Now let's explore some facts. If that's true, what this means is that there are 5 notes of every major or minor key present on any one fret of the guitar. So if I go up to fret 5, I've got the A minor pentatonic scale. Those 5 notes are present in the key of A minor or the key of C major, which is the relative key to A minor. You see, every key has a relative major and minor. If we're in the key of C major, these 5 notes are in that key. If we're in the key of A minor, those 5 notes are in that key. So we can go to YouTube and play any backing track and play a guitar solo based on that one fret, as long as we're playing in A minor or C major. Now what I'm going to do is go to YouTube and play along with some random backing tracks. I'll choose one in the key of A minor, and I'll choose one in the key of C major, and I'm going to play notes on this fret along with those tracks. Before we choose a track, let me talk about a few tricks we'll use when we play our solo at this fret. We're at fret 5. We'll play random notes from that fret. We can use notes from fret 4 to lead in, like this. As long as we lead in to that main fret. We can also use a 2-fret riff using the A, D, and G strings, like this, starting with the A, 2 frets, going from 5 to 7, like this. So here's what we'll do. Random notes from the main fret, half-step lead-ins, then we'll go to fret 5 and 7 on the A, D, and G strings and play a 2-fret solo. Or alright, let's choose a track. Our first track will be in the key of A minor. Now we'll play in the relative major key. The relative major key to A minor is C major. Now here's how we determine the relative major and minor on the guitar. If we're at A minor, fret 5, we can go up 3 frets, 1, 2, 3, and there's C, our relative major. Major, minor. And this works for any fret on the guitar. If we went to G minor, we could go up 3 frets, 1, 2, 3, and there's our major, B flat major. So now let's use the same fret, fret 5, to play along with the backing track in the key of C major. Here we go. In order to prove that this will work in any key, let's choose a different backing track in a different key. Let's go to D minor. In order to play D minor, we'll go up to fret 10, here's a D, and now we have the D minor pentatonic scale. Here's our solo in D minor to a D minor backing track. Alright, our relative key to D minor would be F major. D, go up 3 frets, F major. But we're going to play at the same fret. So let's play along with an F major backing track at fret 10. Okay, let's move to a flat key. How about we'll go to B flat, fret 6, and here's our notes. Leading in from fret 5 to 6, and our 2 fret solo from 6 to 8. Since our solo was in B flat minor, we're going to go up 3 frets, 1, 2, 3. Our relative key will be D flat major. We'll go back to fret 6 and play our solo in D flat major. Well, there you have it. There's a technique that you can use to play along with any backing track in a major or minor key by focusing on 1 fret of the guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.